Now let us begin with lists and tuples, which is unit 4 in Python. Now lists is a set of values. Now these values can be of any type. So if I take an example, A is a list which has three elements: 1, 2.3, and hello. Each of this is called an element in the list, and a list is given in square brackets. Now let us understand how do I create a list. See, this is an example of an empty list, only square brackets. This is a list with integer values like 15, 12, 18. And the name of the list is age here. Now the list can also have values from different types. So here there is string, here there is 5.7 and another integer. The name of the list is student height weight. I can also have one list within another list. So let us take an example. It is called nested list. So let us take an example here. The list name is student marks and the list elements are a string, 10a is another string, and the third element is a list. That list has two elements, English and 75. Now let us understand about accessing the list elements. So now the lists can be accessed either using positive index or negative index. Positive index starts from 0 to n minus 1. Negative index here starts from minus 1, minus 2, and so on. It goes on till minus 5. So minus 1 will refer to the last item, minus 2 will refer to the second last item, and so on. Now, for example, if I have a list, my list, and I try to say, and it has P, Y, T, H, O, N as different elements. So my zeroth element is P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I say my list of, that is within square brackets 0, it prints P. If I say my list of 4, it prints 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It prints O. I cannot say any other data type for an index. An index will be always an integer. So here my list of 4.0 will give an error. Now let us understand how do I access nested list. So in a nested list, I will say that in zeroth element, I want to access the second character. So now n underscore list of 0. Now when I say of 0, it refers to the first element because the index starts from 0. Now within that 0, I want to access the first index, index 1. Now this will be 0 index, this will be 1 index. So that is why it prints an A. Another example, n list 1. So now 1 indicates the second element because the index starts from 0. So this is the second element. Now second element is a list in itself. And in that I want to access index 3. Index 3 means this is index 0, index 1, 2, 3. So in index 1, I want to access index 3. So that will be a 5. If I let us consider accessing using negative index. So here print A of minus 1 prints the last element. Print A of minus 6. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. It prints F. Thank you.